In today's video, we will look at the maintenance required to keep alive 100 catfish in a tiny pond. That's right, I said 100 catfish in a tiny pond. Don't be lazy like I was. Prune those suckers while they're small, so you have better yield and aeration for your tomatoes. It's such a nice sunny day. Let's make a tomato trellis. These tomatoes are 9 to 10 feet tall and still growing. Unfortunately, we had some aphid infestations and I am forced to pull out my watermelons. You want to prune the flowers off the basil plant so that it will produce more leaves and not flowers. This would be a good opportunity to make some compost. This is the drain to the catfish pond. It's important to make sure this does not clog with debris or fish waste. After the water exits the pond, it enters the swirl filter. This is where the large sediment falls out of suspension and we collect the large debris. This is simply a trash can with a flower pot with its bottom cut off, and the purpose is to slow the water velocity, and that means we get the large sediment to settle down. After the swirl filter, it goes into the static media bed, which consists of about 10 inches of K1 media. The large solids drop out of suspension here further, and we filter out even smaller particles here. I admit K1 media is very expensive, but it's very easy to clean and it's going to save you a lot of time and trouble trying to clean out your filters. After we drain the 55-gallon barrel, we will pump the waste into a storage tank where we are going to later use it for our traditional garden. Doesn't that look delicious? Really, really delicious for our plants. What you are seeing now is our sump. This is where I regulate the flow and rate to each grow bed. Aeration is a very important part in any aquaponic system. The lettuce are not doing so well in our hot climate, but everything is a learning experience and we'll get better each year. the sump, I put leftover scrubbies and sponges just to get a little bit more biomedia, and that means cleaner water and better biofiltration. This is how I add water to the aquaponics system. I put a garden hose directly into the overflow pipe of a grow bed and add some crystals of sodium thiosulfate, and that helps dechlorinate the water so it doesn't kill my bacteria that I've been working so hard to grow. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to rate and subscribe for more videos.